simple kind of day, and I'm thankful for it all. Every little moment doesn't feel so small. A simple kind of day, and it gives me what I need, just enough to keep my heart light and free. Walking down the same road, not in any rush, listening to my footsteps, soft and calm and hush. A breeze across my shoulders whispers as it goes. Every little second feels like it just